How to solve the problem of abnormal noise caused by disc brakes. Install the front wheel. Disc stuck in the middle. Lock the quick release bottom bracket. Then we start dealing with abnormal noises. We found the disc closer to the left. Now adjust the brake calipers. Use an Allen screwdriver to turn these two screws. You can adjust the position of the brake caliper until there are gaps on both sides of the disc and the reel. Now you can tighten the brake calipers. Check if there is still friction. If there is still noise, let's measure whether the disc has deflection. You'll see, this disc is a little deformed. Now let's correct the disc. Use a ruler to find areas of friction. Use pliers to break it inside. Find other deformations. Correct the disc in the same way. Correction is also needed here. No more noise now. Disc correction completed.